Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Temu order. And there seems to be holes in the bag, which is not good because this was just sitting out on my porch in winter with snow. Wonder why they're putting holes in their bags. My last bag had holes in them too like that. Like, look how good they're taped up. These are so taped on the one hand, and why aren't they taping the holes? That is so weird. Maybe we're supposed to open the holy side? Anyway, let's open the holy side and see what happens. So there's a bunch of things in here, and I'm not going to be showing everything right now. So let's just see. Hang on. Okay, guys, so there's a lot of stuff in here, and some of them are, like, they're pretty big, so let's just grab one and take a look. Oh, hang on. No. Hang on, I gotta get organized better. Okay, guys, I am back, and I just put one of my light pads upside down. Forgive all the like marks on here. I use the backs of the light pads for adding glue to for sealing my plastic canvas stuff, so they get like little bits of glue on there. So forgive me for that. But let's just grab this. So I ordered some more nail wraps, and I ordered them from Temu. I've not tried the ones from Temu yet. Let me put my glasses on, but how beautiful are these? So when I ordered these, I didn't realize that they would have bling on them. I thought that was just like a part of the pattern. There is actual bling on that. That is so cool. So anyway, let's open this up. And let me see if I can find this. Well, I really actually can't. I'm not sure which one this is. I ordered a bunch of these. After we take a look at them, I think I can see. I think these are the 6 sheets with flowers. And if they are, then these were $3.14, which is amazing for 6 of them. So it comes with a teeny tiny emery board. And, oh, let's look at these one at a time. So these are so beautiful. And that looks like a little Christmas tree, doesn't it? And I didn't realize that was the design, that it was a little Christmas tree. So these are still Christmassy, but I guess they don't have to be. That could just be a triangle. Like, when I just ordered these, I didn't notice. So anyway, these are under 2 pieces of plastic right now. So let me open these just to show you. All right, so you open the first plastic part. And there is a smell on these ones. My other ones didn't have any smell. There's a bit of a nail polish smell on these ones. Oh, you know what it is, I bet? I bet you it's the adhesive for putting these little stickers on. So these are so pretty. And they still have plastic on them. Can you see the outer layer of plastic? So then you do them back again. So that's what they would look like. Now these look really thin, much thinner than what I normally use. And so what you would do is you would look for which finger would have what, right? So usually the big one or the second one would be for your thumb. So you could just go under because these are transparent a little bit. So you could say, okay, that'll fit that finger. That'll fit that finger, right? And then you just pull them off and stick them on your finger. And if you're interested in me doing them on camera for you, I could do my nails on camera when I change them. But look how beautiful these are. And I just thought this would be part of the pattern. Like, see how these have a pattern of snowflakes? I thought that would just be painted on. But if you touch them, I don't know if I could turn them sideways so you could see they're 3-dimensional. They're almost like little diamond painting dots, only smaller. There's a good way to use your extra diamond painting dots. So that looks like a regular size diamond painting dot, and these are much smaller. So these are absolutely beautiful. Now, I didn't realize these were clear like this. They have a little bit of color on one side, but these will be totally see-through because you could see right through even on here. So I don't know whether I'll wear these. I'd have to put probably nail polish on to wear these. So I did not realize when I ordered these that they had that. I'm just going to put them back in. I'm not going to open up every one, you guys. But I just wanted to open one to show you the difference. So you're not looking at them through the plastic and thinking they're not as pretty as they are. But aren't those gorgeous? So yeah, I did not realize these ones were transparent. So I think the whole set is going to be a little bit transparent. But look how beautiful. So these are also three-dimensional. These are so pretty. These are really, really pretty. This would be nice for going to a wedding or an evening out or Christmas, like we just, it's not Christmas anymore. New Year's Eve, anything really. They're so pretty. And for $3.14, I couldn't pass them up. And they're all in shades of like pink and purple, which I love. Look how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? So a lot of people who wear these, they put a clear coat of nail polish, let it dry, and then they put the wrap, and then they put another top coat of clear coat on top. I don't do that. I just wear the wraps as they are. You can see how that one is really worn, but these are old. These are about 2 weeks old, and this one here I've never had one wear that badly. This is the only one I've had, but I use this a lot, like when I'm cleaning my mug especially. I've got say this is the mug and my hand is right in there with a cloth and I'm switching and turning. So I think that's how I did that doing dishes. I never wear my gloves. I bought 3 sets of gloves to do the dishes and I always forget to use them. But those are absolutely gorgeous. I didn't know you could get wraps with bling on these. So I don't know how well these are going to work or how much color you'll see, but they're super pretty. Now, normally you would wear them where that is at the tip of your nail. So usually when you cut them, this is like the base, and that would be the tip. But if you have small, like stubby nails like I do now, my nails have all broken, you can almost get away with cutting them right in half and having one with bling and one without. But I think for these, I would put the bling down at the base because it's the tips of your nails that get the most wear and tear. So I would put them opposite so that the bling is down here and the solid color is up here. You could do it any way you want, really. But these are gorgeous. I am really liking these. Ooh, I just got a preview of what the next one is. Peach. And one pure sparkly one. These are so pretty. I'm going to open this one because I opened well, what do you think? I opened this one and it was completely sheer. So this will probably be the same, right? What do you think? I'm just going to open it and look. Because I was really shocked that they were sheer. Because you're seeing the white from the packaging. Yeah, these are sheer. So I don't like that. I would prefer if they were that color underneath. But that's just me. Because I don't think you're going to get any color underneath that when you just put it on your nail. Maybe. Well, it's coloring the white. What do you guys think? But look how pretty that is. And there's one more. One more in this set, you guys. And it's another peach one with flowers. And that is so pretty. I really love that. This is so beautiful. I'm so glad I discovered nail wraps. I really am. So we've got, let's organize them a little bit better. So we've got 2 purpley ones, 2 kind of pinky purpley ones, and 2 peachy ones. This one is more of like a peachy pink. These are so pretty, you guys. I love these so much. Which one is your favorite? Oh my gosh. I'm having a hard time deciding. I would say for me right now, and if I look at these in 10 minutes, I'll probably change my mind. But for right now, I would say these 2 are my favorites. This one and this one. And just because I'm in a springy mood. And I like the flowers and the bling. And I hope these look pretty on. So you guys, that is the first unboxing from Temu. I don't want to go too long. I've already been going 13 minutes. I just talk way too much. I know a lot of you probably just fast forward, and I don't blame you. It's just the whole video is just me going, oh my God, look how beautiful. But, oh my God, look how beautiful. So for like $3.14, you can't go wrong. I don't know if these will last 2 weeks like these did. But even if they only last a week, that's like 1, 2, 3, that's a month and a half of nails for $3.14, which would be awesome. You know, and if they each last 2 weeks, that's 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 week, one, like say 3 months worth. All right. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.